Hi.
Yes, it's
How are you?
Mayua.
My
Hi. Good,
Mayua.
good.
Did I say it right? Mayua?
So, yes, yes.
All right, perfect. So you said you're
So,
in Wisconsin, and
yes.
do you currently have a center, or are you planning on opening a center, or well, help me understand your question so I can help you out.
Well, I have a community hall that I'm thinking about turning into a senior center,
Okay,
and it's about like 6,000 square feet.
got it. Okay.
So, yeah. So
Is
we're
there
in the
is there
process of filling out the application.
so three things I would look into?
Go ahead.
Is there another adult daycare in your surrounding area? Is there
There
any home
is
care?
one, and yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
So, and then I would look up. So here's what I would do. I would look up my home care agencies that are nearby. Are there any Right at Home, Home Instead, Bright Star Care, any of like the top 10 or 15 home care agencies that provide private duty home care in the home? I would find out what they're charging per hour, and I would use that as a guide for what I might be per hour. And I might charge somewhere between 50 to 70% of that. That would be kind of like a guide, a rough estimate, right? So if they charge 20, if they charge, like $30 an hour, I might charge around 15, like based on an 8-hour day. But that's not the rule. That's just a guide. Because that if those home care agencies are in that area and people are able to afford those prices, that's a good indication that of the ability of people to afford that, right? The other thing I look at is like how much are assisted living facilities, like what do they cost in my area? I might even check out Genworth. Genworth does a annual study, and you can break it down by state, and you can see the different costs of home care, adult daycare, and assisted living. And again, these are just guidelines to kind of give you an idea of like what that market might justify, because there's so many variables. But at the end of the day, it's going to really come down to your projections and how much money do you really need to charge in order to cover your costs and leave yourself with a 30% profit margin,